Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Guys, before I go ahead in this video, all of you know that I was not active for last couple of weeks in probably any of my social media handles, not on Twitter, not on Facebook, not even on YouTube, not even on Telegram or WhatsApp. The main reason was someone in my family was not well, and it took probably a couple of weeks for that person to get a bit better. Even right now, the things are not completely as normal as they should be. But yes, progress is on the way, and hopefully in next few days, things should be normal. So I thought it's high time I would share my personal view regarding the market, regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty, and maybe a couple of stocks with all of you. And I hope all of you have been absolutely fine and have enjoyed making money in this entire rally. Okay. Now, first looking at the Nifty daily time frame chart, what we can see is that the price is above both of these dual moving averages. The RSI did hit a high of around 80 levels, and from there prices have tried to come down in the last 2 days. In the daily time frame chart, we can see that this particular level, which is a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement, is a decent support, which is somewhere around 19,500 to 19,530. Now, if I go to the hourly time frame charts, things are little different. Different in sense is that the trend is down. You can see over here that the prices are below the dual moving averages. The RSI has also tried to come down. And I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement over here, and this level, according to me, is a decent support, which is 19,570 to 19,550. So you can see this level 19,570 or 19,550 is almost this same level. So generally when a level which is a support or a resistance or just a matter of a matter of coincidence that that particular level is a psychological level in two different time frames together, then the importance of that level increases. Now, in last 2 days, we have been able to see that the market has tried to correct with a gap down, especially on this particular day. If this sell-off continues in the short term, and if we hit this zone 19,570 to 19,500, a decent support is already present in the market. As a trader, you need to watch and wait and understand, is there any buying coming up from these levels or not? If I see any sort of buying coming up from these levels, I will try to initiate swing trades in different sectors and stocks. As of now, according to me, not many sectors, not many stocks are showing extreme high good risk reward ratio except two stocks, which I'll be sharing later on. But this is my view of Nifty right now. The trend is up in the daily time frame charts, but the risk reward ratio is not with the bulls. If you wait patiently, if the price drops, comes at a support and tries to jump again, you can probably try and time your trades from the lower time frame charts if we have a breakout, not without a breakout. Okay. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty in comparison with Nifty is much better. The reason for that is, yes, we did hit a 73 level, but if I cross-check the weekly time frame chart in the Nifty and vis-a-vis Bank Nifty, then you will be able to see there is a lot of difference. Okay, so according to me, Bank Nifty still has a lot of steam on the upside. Yes, it has hit a short-term resistance over here, which is somewhere around 46,350 or maybe 46,370, but that is all right. That is completely all right, because it can never happen that a price continues to go up and it cannot face any resistance on the upside. In the hourly time frame charts, you can see the trend is flat. In the daily time frame charts, the trend is up. And this entire band in Bank Nifty, according to me, is a decent support. And the coordinates over here are 45,845 to 45,428 or even 45,400 in terms of round figure. So in case if you see Bank Nifty dropping down or maybe consolidating, and then after that if you see an up move starting, a short-term move in Bank Nifty on the upside is probable. According to me, the attractive sector as of now is PSU banks, but they certainly seem to be little bit overstretched. I would wait as a trader for them to consolidate, probably even drop down, and then try to initiate a swing trade in those stocks and in that sector. Although there is one stock from the private banking pack, which is HDFC Bank, and which looks pretty good to me. It's almost on the verge of starting a new short-term rally. The first rally we saw from this point to this point, and then it has retraced. And if it sustains above 1710 or 1720 in an intraday, and if it closes above that, it will be even better. Then this up move will be able to continue on the upside for the next few days. So keep a watch on this stock. And the next stock from me is Bharat Forge. Now this stock currently in the daily time frame charts, it's not looking that great, but in the hourly time frame charts, I can see something really, really attractive. Now what I can see is if you try to see properly, especially with the volumes, I'll try to plot the volume over here. If you try to plot the volume over here, what we can see is that when this particular candles, these 3 to 4 candles have shaped up in green color and big green candles, you can see a spike in the volume. When this rally started in Bharat Forge over here, you can also see a spike in volume. So this is a scenario where probably after a big large rally, the stock came down, it retraced, and now it's trying to go up higher. So at times it is very, very important that you probably come down to a lower time frame charts and try to understand what is happening in that stock, and only then you will be able to understand that what is the actual plight of that stock. But as of now, this is certainly not in a buy zone. I would consider it as a buy if it starts trading above 865, 864. Once we can see a big green candle made over here like this, then yes, it's a possibility that this stock would keep trending on the upside. All right. So I hope this video which I shared today has helped you to understand how markets will move in the next few days, and keep trading nicely, keep trading safely, and do not overtrade, because markets right now are not in a stage where one should be initiating too many trades at the same point of time. Trade well, guys. Thank you.